think about visual art journals, paintings, assemblages and more? If you like it like I do, then you are right here. Hi, I'm Bea Grob and I love to inspire you. Well, hello, welcome back to my studio. So glad you joined me today for another monthly collaboration with Lena. It is the new journal I'm working in. The last video was about making the journals, and today it is the first double spread in her journal. We lately have really bad weather. I mean, we have so much rain. There is rarely a day where we get sun. So again, it was one of those dark, rainy days, and I decided I want some sun. So that's why I did choose those yellows and oranges, the light and the warmth from those colors, just to give me some virtual sun, so to speak. So I started with those acrylic paints. There was a plain yellow, I think it was a cadmium yellow, it was a fluorescent yellow, and a cad orange also. That's what I have used for the background. After I have applied the colors randomly, I did also use some of my stencils. I did use white gesso, but the sponge I have used still had something on, so it is more gray than really white, but hey, it is an art journal, I don't care so much. And next step was to add in collage. I did use from magazine pages pieces. I did use a little piece of a map. The butterfly was actually a napkin. Those pieces are my artwork, which I just printed out on a plain printer paper, nothing special. Then I also have added some, can I say it, tape, just clear tape, which I altered with the alcohol ink. I also have those two circles here, which were actually in Lena's journal. We can't resist adding some extra goodies to when we send our journals. So I did send her some stuff and she did send me some stuff. That's the way how we roll, don't we all? Anyway, I also did use another stencil with some black. The quote, if you are lucky enough to be different, never change. I did again print on a plain printer paper, nothing fancy, just cut it out and plopped it on between those two washi tape strips. The word freedom I did stamp on a scrap of a mixed media paper and then color it in with the fluorescent yellow, which is very transparent, so you still could see the stamping. That's it, what I have used. Just a little side note here, the map piece, the piece of map and the butterfly, I actually did sew in sort like a mini booklet. I just did sew it right to the crease of the double page. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for art journaling projects and more. And don't forget also to check out Lena's video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.